Hi friends, good morning. This is Shrikant. Today I will explain about how to import custom visual in Power BI desktop. Okay, see this is a custom visuals. Click from marketplace. Okay, see this. Enter your Office 365 registered email ID. Okay, next click sign in. Next enter your registered mail ID password. Okay, next click sign in. See this is your Power BI custom visuals and click add. It's automatically added custom visual. Okay, click OK. See this, it's automatically imported custom visual. Please subscribe our channel Lakshmi Skills. Thank you friends, bye.